Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna see me doing makeup for basically a beginner friendly makeup for everyday purpose. You can use this for your college, office, or whatever you wanted to. And I mostly prefer to go with basic products and very affordable product for beginners. So this is gonna be very useful video for you guys. And then before getting started, I wanted to thank you guys a lot because $9 Aira makeup has really reached a bit, has a it's good for me because as a beginner YouTuber, it has been really a good reach for me. It was before putting that video, it was 1.2 and now it's 1.5, which is really a big number for me. So thank you so much for supporting and for the new subscribers. If you don't know who I am Thiruchunai and I do makeup related, skincare related and hairstyling related videos, and whatever you wanted to do as in this, you can tell me down below the comment section. I will definitely be doing for you guys. Let's get started into this video guys without any further delay.
So first I'm just going with the Lakme Burr Perfect Primer and applying it onto the skin and basically blending it onto your skin. Let it absorb for a little bit and massage it. So after this we are going with a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe 30. And this is my favorite ones, and whatever I have been using in this video will be in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out when you're ending this video guys. So basically putting on the areas of your under eyes, around your mouth, nose, and wherever you wanted to. When you have black spots, just correct them with the concealers. And then I'm just going with a sponge which is actually dry. Do not go for wet sponge because it absorbs your concealer and you have to go again, and we don't have time for all these things. That is why I avoid using the foundations. If you want you can go, but we do not have time on the early mornings, so that is why I just want to go with only concealers for this video. So after this we are gonna blend that with the leftover everywhere. And after this we are using the Pond's, which is really cheap and affordable for you guys. If you are beginners, just go ahead with this itself. Otherwise, if you own a compact powder, you can go with that, or otherwise you can go for both if you have a sweaty face like me. So I'm in shade number NC43, so I'm just gonna apply it all over your face and neck. And then we are going with the Faces Canada Kajal. Apply that over your waterline areas, pull your eyes and just add that, and give a little bit of intensity by going again with 2-3 again strokes. So it just looks so good and intense guys, that is why. And after this we are going with tight lining. Basically this is what I do for tight lining your areas of your eyes. It looks scary but it's not that scary. And then we're going to be using the Musifla gel liner for your eyebrows. I have used this on my every videos guys, and you have a step-by-step video dedicated for this. You can go check it out on my channel. There are 3 different types. If you're a beginner, whatever, you can go try that out. And then I'm just going using this Faces Canada again, putting onto my fingers and applying it as on the areas where you put eyeliners. If you don't want to add eyeliners, this is the better choice. And then I'm going with the mascaras, and this from L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. Apply that over your upper eyelashes and lower lashes to open up your eyes. And after this I'm going to be using the Lakme lip crayons, which is really cheap and affordable guys for you. So you can also go with this. Basically just go for first build up this product and then improve your intensity for this lip crayons. So this is the final look of the video guys. If you do like this, please let me know down below the comments. I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, keep supporting my channel and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.